So from the back end, the first thing we're going to do from the back end is to go to the appearance to change this theme, because as we all know, we can say that this theme doesn't look nice at all, it doesn't make sense at all. So the first thing we're going to do is to change this to make it look so beautiful. So the first thing we're going to do right now is to go to the market over here. You can see the market, then it's going to load and bring out the themes available for this website. I'm going to give you another option apart from this market, because I'm running this site offline. You can see this, I'm online right now, so I'm going to go offline. So you can buy your themes here, or rather look for the free ones and download. So what I do actually, I just go to Google as usual and type download OS class free themes. So you can see most of the themes that they have here are being bought, all responsive themes. Most of them are being bought. So what we're going to do is that we're going to download the particular theme that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So this is the OS class page download. This is the free responsive market. So check this free responsive market themes. So you can download from here directly. Yeah, it's going to go to your admin, but this one I'm downloading into my computer so that I can use it anytime I wish. Even when I'm offline, I'm online, I can always use it. So also with plugins, you can also come here and get your plugins. So this is, you can see it's very easy right from your admin. You can get wherever you want. So this, I'm just trying to take you around the website, the back end of the website, to see how easy it is for you, even without coding. You don't need to know anything about coding. All you just need, so look at here. This is the website we are going to, this is the theme we are going to be using. So you are going to download this version, OS class wizard free responsive theme, and this is the theme here over here. You can check the live demo over here. So you are going to click this download. I'm not going to download it because I already have it downloaded on my desktop, and this is it over here. This particular class wizard 2.0.2, this is 1.5 MB. So it's already been downloaded on my system. Also, we are also going to use some plugins, but right now there's no plug. We are not going to talk about plugins. We are going to talk about the themes, making use of this theme. So after downloading this theme, so we're going to make use of it right now. You click here and you download it. After downloading it, then we'll go to our system to upload it. So I'll come to this theme, to this appearance, manage themes, then add new. And this add new, I'm going to click this choose file to upload. Then I'll come over to my computer. I want to look for it where it is in my computer, and this is it over here, the one I showed you earlier on. This is it over here. Then you click upload. Wow, it's uploaded already, and this is it. You can take a preview, but I'll just activate it. Wow, it's been activated. So this is our previous theme. So I'm going to reload this theme, so you're going to see how this theme is going to look like right now. I'm going to reload it. Wow, can you imagine how the interface just changed just with the click? And look at it, just look at it how it has changed. And I'm going to take out this bug very soon. Everything's under the settings. You can see this one now looks more matured. So the next thing we're going to do over here is to change the appearance. We'll go to this OS class wizard. We say hello guys, welcome to OS class wizard. Hello guys, welcome to OS class. So we're going to change that, and you say let's use a better word. Say welcome to the online markets place. I think this is better. Then our listing is going to be grid. Then you save it. Then you come to this theme style. This green you are seeing is this green over here. Is this green right? We can also change the color and put whatever we like. Maybe let's say vivid red. This custom CSS is for the styling. If you know about coding, you could change it. Then let's refresh this. Now you can see it has turned from green to vivid red. Look at it. Look at the color. It has changed. Just change. So that's theme style, templates, PHP programmer. Yeah. So we can change it to. Let's change it to search. Okay, search. Okay, this show popular over here. What we're having over here, popular in online classified, is a bug which is gonna be fixed later on. So what we just do right now is just turn it off. Yeah, show popular. When we save it, you can see it's no longer there again. So let's write on. Over here we can do some searches whereby someone search popular searches limit 10, popular cities limit wherever you want 15, 20, whichever one. Then the other logo is going to be the logo that is over here, but I'm not going to use the logo. I'm going to leave it like this. Online classified, you can design the logo, get a freelancer to get the logo for you and design it for you over here. I'm not going to use the logo. Favicon, this is a favicon. Favicon, what you are seeing here, this little thing you are seeing here is a favicon. This one you are seeing here is a favicon. So let me check over for a favicon. Let me look for, and it must be 16 times 16. In my computer, let me look for a favicon. Osclass. Okay, look at this, 16 times 16. Then upload. Well, then let's refresh. You can see it has changed already. It has changed already. Then the banner that we're going to use in this team, you know, the other team doesn't have a banner, is what's going to be shown here. Advertise for free, post and customize your art, your best can sale website. So we're going to upload a picture for a banner. Which one am I going to use? These are the pictures that I want to use for this website. Okay, see a banner here I've already customized. Click upload. Wow, this is the picture I'm going to use. You can use whatever picture you like, the one that suits you, the one you like. And let's refresh it. Wow, you can see it's so easy, very easy, very easy, very easy. Look at it. I think it's now making a little sense, better than before. Yeah, so this is the website. Category icons, for say, look at the icons here, so you can change whatever icons you want to use here. You can change whatever icons you want to use here, but for this tutorial, to make it very short, I'm not going to be using that. Ads management, Google AdSense, you copy and paste your code here. Then your Facebook page, let me put splashwebworld. Yeah, then save changes. Documentation, in case you need you want to know more about some documents about documents about the Osclass admin. If you need help, you can check there and it's gonna help you out. So right now I think we are through with this already. So the next thing that we're going to do right now is I want to change the currency. Because I'm working in Nigeria. I want to put the Nigerian currency also, so you can add your currency here. Anyhow, then the naira, I have it on my system already. Then the Nigerian currency, yeah, Nigerian naira. Add the currency. Yeah, the currency is here already. So the next thing we're gonna do, let's look at our website. So can someone tell me what to do next? Okay. Oh, so we'll go to our listing. Our listing is what is here. Our listing is what is here. All what you are seeing right down here is what we call the listing, the for sale, the vehicles, classes, real estate, jobs, personals, community, and whatever that is showing under them are what we call the listings. So we come over here to the listing here, manage listing. And when we come to the manage listing, you can see this example that you are seeing over here. This example is what you're seeing over here. So we're going to remove it and add our own listing. So we are going to delete this. So when we click this, we click delete, then apply, delete. Yeah, it's been deleted. And when we come over here, we refresh. Wow, it's deleted. So what we're going to do right now, let's add some listings to make this site. Okay, sorry for that. So let me write. What am I going to do? Let me do a mansion. Okay, let me say uh a mansion for sale in Lekki. Then category, a mansion is a house, right? So we'll go to real estate, and under the subcategory we'll go to maybe let's go to the houses, apartment for sale. Then over here we'll write I want to sell a mansion. For the sake of this tutorial, I don't need to be writing all this. Let me just copy all and paste. So we're gonna have I think information over here. Yeah, this is alright. Yeah, it's okay. So the price, working in naira. So I'm gonna put let me see 23 million. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, 23 million. Choose the file, and let me look for a mansion over here. Yeah, this is a mansion, right? No, let me look for somewhere. Yeah, let me choose these. Yeah, you can put as many pictures as you want to. You want to put as many pictures. Then yeah, I'm going to put my, yeah, it's on autofill. I use an autofill on my system, so I've already filled the information, everything here. Then I add this to the listing. Yeah, it's been added already to the listing. Then when we come here and we refresh, you can see, wow, look at this mansion. It's wow. I'm gonna buy this house. Wow, very interesting. A mansion for sale in Lekki. Houses that is under the apartment for sale, Lagos, January 4, 2016. Well, so this is the listing. This is an advertisement that someone can come here and click. So I'm going to add more. I want to add more. I'm going to be fast about this. Estates for sale category. I want to work on one category. Just want to work on this category. Paste. Paste. Okay. 2 3 3 3. Let me look for one that looks like an estate. This one looks like an estate. Okay. My autofill. Wow, I love this. Oh shit. Okay. Country Nigeria. Lagos. 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 So okay. Add to the listing. Then I'm adding another one. In White House for sale. Let me use rent this time around. I believe you're all following me for rent, but I just want to put it for sale because I just want that place to have a lot of information. Haha. 5 3 1 2 3. I'm just putting this. So it's gonna be there. For the sake of this tutorial, I think I should have one other picture of our house. Okay, yeah, I have one over here. Okay, Okay, hard listing for the house. Then when we come over here, we refresh. You can see the listings over here. You can see different houses advertisement. Okay, I made a mistake here. I didn't change it to dollar, but there is no need. Let's just leave it for the sake of the tutorial. And when we come under this real estate, you can see there are three advertisements here already. It's already written three because under these houses, apartments for sale, there's already three here. Then when we put other adverts for here, then you see that they keep on piling up. Then before you know, here gets to thousands and millions of adverts. Also here, all over here, it's gonna be counting. It's gonna be counting. And if you don't want them to count, you're gonna change that in your settings. And you can also we can also remove anyone like this housing swap, vacation renters. I'll show you how to remove all those ones in our settings very soon. So I just want to get this place filled up with adverts so that at least you will know that this thing looks more like the OLS and the GG and other websites. And you can also customize your site, which can even be more better than theirs. Yeah, they are just they didn't use coding for all those things. It's just what we are using. Although there are other web script, online script that we can use apart from the Osclass. We have the open classified and some other ones that I'm going to teach you later. I'm going to bring all those ones to you later. Um, so that's it. And one thing I love about this is that sometimes you don't really need to even start cropping your pictures. You can see that although this picture is very small, but when you look at this, you see that it has already arranged the picture for you already. It has this automatic cropping of picture. That's why I love it. Unlike WordPress that you have to crop your picture, have to size them. But look at this. Wow, very beautiful. Even when the pictures are not even this of the same dimension. So let's continue the listing. Let me put this one BlackBerry for sale. BlackBerry berry for sale. Under this what's gonna be under this, let me see, for sale. um Cell phones. Yeah, thank you very much. um I want to sell my cell phone. All copy. Yeah, this that we are doing is from the back on from the admin. We go the anybody can just log into your website and advertise, but I want to do this from the back end so that later on we'll do it from the front end and we'll see how it's going to be. If you want them to be registered first, they are going to register here for a free account. They will register before they can post the advertisement. Or if you want anybody to just come to your website even without registration, wants to post an advert, all depending on you. It's all depending on you. 23,000. Yeah, Panera. Let me choose a picture. A BlackBerry. This is a BlackBerry. Let me choose another picture. This is a BlackBerry also. Let me choose another picture. This is a BlackBerry also. Let me choose another picture. Another BlackBerry. This is BlackBerry also. I think that's all right. That's okay. Yeah. In another new listing. Cars for sales slash rent. Under vehicles. Let me up. Yeah, cars. We sell cars and rent also. Let's just put a random number. Um, yeah, let's go for the cars. Yeah, so let's use another picture also for these. Yeah, it's all right. Then email. We add this to the listing, and then let me look here. What other one do we have? Okay, just cars. Okay, let me still use this phone again. A BlackBerry phone. Okay, brown new BlackBerry passport for sale. Done. Cell phone. Let's see. 105,000 naira. Yep. And I think I have a passport phone here. Yep, in my picture. Which other one do I have? Just only this. Okay, let me use this. Yep. Yeah, saving that. Then I saw a computer. Then let me use the computer also. Let me add the listing to a computer. I want to sell my laptop or laptops for sale. Brand new. Um, I didn't really memorize this, so let me just look for name. Okay, yeah, it's over here. Computer and this thing. Laptops for sale of any kind. All copy, paste, 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 paste. Yeah. 105 also. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me get 105 to 205 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Here's the laptop over here. Okay, this is a laptop. Let me choose another image for that also. I think it's okay. Then yeah, I think this is enough. This is alright. This is okay. Okay, we have already added 7 items to the website, and let me see how the website is going to look like right now. Okay, in for sale we have 3 vehicles. I added just 1. Classes nothing. Estate 3. All these ones I've not added anything to them. Wow, look at the website right now. Look at this card. I love this. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me add one more to make so it's gonna complete over here. So it's gonna look okay. Let me add one more. Let me add computer. I said computer over there. Uh, okay, let me see. Fairly used computer for sale or exchange with a blackberry phone. So for sale computer and hardware. Okay, laptop for sale. Okay, let's just do for the sake of this tutorial. And these let me see, for the 5,000 1, 2, 3. I'm not working in dollars, so I'm going to change it to naira. Choose a picture. Let me see a picture here. Good picture. Okay, are these all right? Then my email. Yeah. Aha. So let's visit the website again. Now let's reload. It's reloaded already. Let's see what we have. Wow, it's all right. So we can see this. We can see this. This looks very interesting. So let's click this. Let's check one of these. Let's check this. All right, let's check the first one. Let's check. Let's see what is happening here. Wow, this is one good thing I love about this script, this Osclass. There are some things you don't really need to do anymore. You can see this. Contact the completion. This is my name, Elvis Odiri. Name, email. Just send me a message. If you want to buy my house. Okay, is it for sale or for rent? Okay, for sale in Lekki. Yeah, this is my house for sale in Lekki, for instance, by the grace of God. So you want to buy this, you just send me, you write your name, your email address, a phone number, your message, a message, and you just click send. I'm going to do that later. I'm going to do that later. I'm going to do that later. Then you see the message coming directly into my Gmail. Then contact the seller. There's no need because it's already here. Share. If you want to share, I'm going to add a plug that is going to share to Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter, and so other things. Then CEO ads from this advertiser. Then related listing house also other houses. So let's go back. Let's check. Okay, let's check this BlackBerry. I think this was when I added so many pictures. Wow, aha. Look at these pictures. So the advertiser has already added other pictures of its phone, and this is why I love this. Can see this. Just look at this. A light box to check. Yeah. So I think with this you can see that it's very easy. You don't need any coding. There's nothing you need. So what we're going to do, what I'm going to put you through now, is to remove some of all these unnecessary things, all these unnecessary listing. I'm not actually going to remove all of them, but I just want to show you how to rearrange and remove those that you don't want don't want. Yeah, so under this house we can just have only three. And one other good thing I love about this is newly listed, lower price first, higher price first. You can see. Then if you want to search your search, region, city, listing with pictures, advertising with picture, amounts, and you just imagine you want to subscribe for this search, you just write your email. Oh my god, this is very easy and so wonderful. Honestly, it's very easy, it's so easy. But people don't know, people spend money, spend thousands of naira when you can do it yourself. So let me go back to the back end, and I talked about the listing. I said okay, this is manage listing. Yeah. So in the category, under the category, remember for we have, okay, let me go back to the home first. Sorry. We have for sale, vehicle, classes, real estate. For sale, vehicles, classes, real estate. Let's say for instance we want to put this real estate manifest. It's just a drag and drop. Look at it. It goes up and stays on top. This action could take a little while. Real estate on the top. Still loading. Then when we come here and reload, you can see the real estate right now. The real estate is the first here. The real estate is the first here. The real estate is the first here. Then under this real estate, you just click down. Then see a lot of listing here. House swap, housing swap, vacation rentals, parking spots, lands, and so on and so forth. If they feel so unnecessary to you, you could decide to remove any one of them. You could change, you could disable, you could delete, you could edit the title and change the name. For instance, let's just say let's delete this house swapping and vacation rentals. See this house swapping here, just click delete. Delete. It's off already. You can see it's off. Vacation rental, you delete and delete. And when you come over here, you see that these two are going to disappear. Ouch, disappeared. Like seriously. So you could also do this. It's just a drag and drop, sorry. Also do the same thing to all these things, whichever you want, any way you want it. They are easily customizable. So they are easily customizable. What we do next is to add the plugin. So let's go to the back end again. So at this back end, we'll go to plugin here. We are going to use this manage plugins. Remember I told you we are going to be working offline. But in the case whereby you're working online, you just go to this market and you go to the plugin. So, or rather, you go to the Osclass Wizard website where we downloaded the Osclass Wizard free responsive theme. You can just type plugin over here or go here, look for plugin and look for free plugins or featured or premium plugins that I think is going to be good for your website. So, I've already downloaded it on my desktop. So, I'll choose file, and the one I'm going to be using this time around is what we call simple social share. Look at it over here, simple social share. So that's the plugin I'm going to be using. Then we'll press upload. Yeah, it's uploaded already. But before we install it, let me show you. Let's go to the website and pick an advert over here. Okay, let me pick these cars here. Okay, so look at it. We sell cars and rent also. um so let's now install the plugin, the simple social share. Look at it over here. Install it. It's installed already. Then you come over here. Just look at this place. Then now let's refresh. You can see this. You can now share this. Share by email, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on Google Plus, share on LinkedIn, share on Pinterest. Also, there are different types of plugin that will share on WhatsApp, that will share on different and a lot of more social web media. So it's just for you to search for the plugin. Remember, this is a free one, so you know free ones have limited social media in which they could share to. So you can look for the premium ones. So that is this the simple social share we just installed. Then you can also install your Google Analytics, your Google Maps, so that when an advertiser an advertiser put his product, you can now put his location and it's going to show. So what are we going to do next? The next thing I want us to do right now, you know what, all these advert that we used, we're all at the back end. For instance, I'm just a visitor to your website and I want to publish my own advertisement. So what I'll just do, I'll just come over here, publish your ad for free. Category, which one do I want to use? Let me look for the one I want to use. Let me use this cell phone, right? Let me use this cell phone. Title, let me say urgent buyer for a BlackBerry. Okay, description, I want to sell a BlackBerry. I need an urgent buyer. So let's copy, paste, paste. Yeah. Then price, for how much do you want to sell it? I want to sell it for 12,000 naira. 1, 2, 3. Like for just 12,000 naira. Country, Nigeria, and the rest is being filled up. Okay, no, I don't want to use this name. I want to use another name. Let me say Mr. James. Mr. James. Let me use let me say Mr. James at gmail.com. Okay. Then okay, click here to upload an image. Let's look for an image to upload. An image we haven't used that. Okay, we haven't used this. Yeah, look at this. So we'll publish. Okay, show image on the listing page. Publish. So you can see what it say. Your listing has been published. Look at it over here right now. The listing has been published. This is just a visitor that just came online right now and published his own advert. He wants to sell. You can see it. Urgent buyer for a BB. Just imagine, he just came online right now and he just posted his advert. Mr. James, look at it. If you want to buy right now, you can just post to Mr. James. Oh, Mr. James, I want to buy your phone. Yes, I'm a serious buyer. So this is what I'm talking about. An urgent buyer for a BlackBerry. Let's go to the main site again. So your users can also register for free. Okay, let us register for free. What's my name? My name is uh Mr. Bom Bom. Mr. Bom Bom. Let's say Mr. Bom Bom at yahoo.com. Password 123456. Password 123456. Before I create my account, please, the admin have so many settings. Admin have settings, user settings. So users need to validate their account. It's going to be sent to their email and they're going to validate through their email. So I don't want them to validate through their email. So I'm going to remove this and save changes so that they can just validate their account instantly without going to their email address. So that's the reason I'm doing that. So if you come over here right now, you can say, "Hi, Mr. Bombom, my account, log out." So you can see this Mr. Bombom account right now. Your account has been created successfully. Um, Post your adverts. Let's use Mr. Bombom posting an advert. Categories. Let's use another category this time around. Um, the different categories. Let's use the job. Okay, let's say job. Let's say job. Okay, job title. Um, Accountant needed. Sorry. Okay. Let's just paste this. Okay. Price 123 to 500 or whatever it is. Let's find an image for this job. I Okay, job, country, yeah, Nigeria. Um, I don't want to use, okay, address. I don't want to use my address. Let me just use another address, a random address. Okay, that's all. It's all right. So your listing has been added. So that's the job. Look at the job right now. The job has been added already. So when we go to the home page, let's look at it. You can see a job has been added already. Then the urgent buyer for the BlackBerry has been added already. So you can see. So the more we put, or the more users, visitors come to your website and put adverts, the more adverts will be coming on the home screen. And the maximum over here is 12 according to our settings. You can put your settings to 20 to 30, no, depending on the amount you want on your website. The settings are over here. When you come over here, you can see settings over here, categories, general settings. Okay, this is the page description for the website. You can look at this. You say search page shows 12 latest listing. This is 12. This is the latest listing that we have at the front page here. 12. Once it's 12, all these old ones will go and the new ones will be coming to the front page of the website. So these are the settings you run on the website, on your website. These are the settings. You just go through all these settings. They are very, even a layman self will understand all these settings. They are very easy to understand. It's not even for an advanced, it's just for a new user can just go through it and you see that it's very easy. So I believe with this little tutorial you guys are able to understand how to create a website like OLS. And if you know you don't really like this, like the GG, you see a map in front here, you can as well find the teams that look like that of GG, but you're gonna pay a little dollar for that. Some are $29, $12, depending, with some advanced functions that may you really enjoy on your website. So I believe with this tutorial you should be able to create a wonderful, a beautiful, and a very attractive website. If you have any questions, kindly drop your questions in the comments below or send me an email to levis@splashwebworld.com and I'll be glad to reply you and to put you through. So thank you very much for spending this time with me. Stay tuned as I release some other videos and written notes for you to understand how to create an online classified website. So thank you very much. You're all welcome. Yeah, stay tuned. Bye.